Trigger warning. It's a lot of blood.
Lots of it.
If you're triggered by that, then don't watch this.
It's pretty gory.
But
man.
this BIBI Animal Farm music video is kind of crazy. And I didn't expect it.
We were not expecting.
So
we weren't
hopefully
ready.
enjoy.
We weren't prepared.
I was not ready. This is BIBI Animal Farm. What a title.
What a title.
It's a lot that can happen.
I don't know.
And she is in a dining table
with an apple in her
with
mouth.
people in masks and some not. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin.
I don't know what to expect. Oh.
Should it be louder?
A little bit.
What the?
Oh,
the
but
Jawalkies?
the guy in the middle back.
Oh, he's
or
a pig. They're pigs.
They're the pigs.
They're eating humans.
Is that
this is gonna be
wait?
crazy.
Is that what's happening?
I mean, I guess.
Are they gonna?
Or there's
eat
some
it?
people that are the cannibals. I don't know.
Wait.
Oh no
what?
no no! The ones in
No,
the mask have the dot, the BB dot.
Oh.
What?
Wait. There's
so much happening.
There's so much happening. Why are they pigs and not? Wait. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ow! Hell no!
What just happened?
I did not expect that. I did not expect that. Now we know.
Now we know.
That's a big ass apple, by the way.
I know, and she just bit through that shit. She went. Damn,
Jesus.
that's so loud.
That's loud.
Ooh, kind
Okay,
of
it's,
like James Bond.
James Bond or some ball.
Mm.
She is in a white dress. Let's maybe take that. Wait, let's put it. Let me go.
Oh.
Words of sin. That's the first thing she says, right?
Ooh, she's so pretty.
Okay, girl. Okay. Champagne popping. Wine and bread. Okay. Ooh.
This might be right, this might be justice, but
Oh.
Oh! You don't even show this.
Wait.
It sounds like Kill Bill.
Oh shit.
Remember that one scene? I didn't expect it either.
Wait, what just happened?
I don't know. But like,
She just
slice
killed
the
him?
head off.
Sliced his head off. Wait, but like, and she just covered in all his blood.
Yeah, it reminds me of Kill Bill a lot.
Damn, it does remind me of Kill Bill. Is that what?
Let's
I
go
don't
back.
know, maybe it was inspired.
I don't know if that's the reference or. Well, she killed the head dude.
Yeah.
But how did she start from the table? Or I don't know. Oh. It's very. Oh.
Oh, she killed all of them? Okay, baddie.
Okay, baddie.
Are you?
What she? Oh, she eating the
snout?
ear?
Or the ear? Or. Okay, she didn't eat it. You better not eat that shit.
Okay, we gotta. What's gonna happen next? What the hell?
What, her FIFA friend?
Wait. Wait a second. Oh, gun!
Oh!
Oh! What's up, John Wick? This is some Tarantino-ish. What?
Oh, what?
Oh!
Okay,
Oh!
okay, let's go.
Oh! What?
What? Wait, I was not expecting this as her.
Oh, she went. She.
Oh, shit. Yes, ma'am. You cut that head off. Women power. Hot girls.
What the actual
Wait, is
shit?
it raining?
guitar.
Okay.
Nice looking
She's
guitar.
gonna play the guitar right now with all that blood on her.
Oh, she's gonna
Or
shoot.
she's gonna shoot it? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Yeah, and she
Oh, that's
plays
pretty
it.
badass.
Oh, that's cool. Oh,
Hey.
the bullet.
For free?
Oh,
Did this have some Carrie stuff too? Like,
yeah.
she looks badass, I'm not gonna
I
lie.
know. What the fuck?
This is bloody. I might have to do a warning in the beginning.
Yeah. Is this allowed? Is this allowed?
Why?
Well, this is definitely age restricted. Wow.
Pop champagne all night. Put the chandeliers up high. Bodies
Ooh.
on my bed.
Oh, is this like a B- A B-side?
Yeah, like part of her album. Ooh.
You are my favorite thing till now. Bodies on the deck.
Ooh. Oh, and some behind the scenes. Damn.
Damn.
Baby, tell me why you keep showing up in my dream. Maybe I'm not
I don't even know what to say. I'm just like literally reading and looking at the behind the scenes, but
Damn. That must have
it
been.
has a lot of inspirations. Definitely some Kill Bill,
Yeah.
for sure. Even the goriness of like a Quentin Tarantino movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the guitar scene was kind of crazy too.
yeah, with the rain and everything.
I don't know. Did you expect this route?
No,
Not music video wise, but music wise too.
music wise.
Kind of interesting. I mean, obviously the music
I
video
don't
is very
think
shocking.
I was definitely not expecting this because she went from like her Be New to Casino,
So it's,
and then went
And then-
from that route to like 88 Rising, more kind of.
or even Bad Matt's
Yeah. And now I wasn't expecting this.
Nah, I was not expecting.
wasn't
this either.
expecting
God
this.
damn, BB.
No, like
It's
I
the
was
same BB we
expecting.
met. She was like, hi.
Like, just like imagine she filmed that before.
And then she was like,
And she was like, eh.
that's crazy.
Wait. Damn. I expect like some
Special thanks to
sexy,
Kill Bill for Tarantino.
like,
Yeah.
oh,
So it's exactly
oh wow.
based off it. Because it felt
Holy
like it.
shit, good job.
I mean,
Yeah.
It's a pretty, like the whole head cutting on the table. And then the fight in the, damn that arm, bro. Can we show this on YouTube?
Everything. Is this allowed?
I don't know.
Is this allowed?
It's done.
Do we have to like censor? Do you have to-
I don't know. Yeah, I guess I have to censor. Yeah. Think so?
Yeah, right. Or I don't know. That's on you.
I'm not gonna censor, but because it's already out there. Wait, is are other ones like?
Her voice was amazing.
Her voice was amazing. Even the ending credits was amazing too. She looked pretty. She's beautiful, and then even even badass in that guitar scene. Just like with everybody just like dead.
Just dead. She did that.
She did that.
She said, bop, bop, bop.
Damn, literally John Wick that ish.
legit. Like, they're pigs, and then she's the human. And then,
Because it starts off as her being served on the table.
yeah.
Right?
Basically,
Yeah.
like, representing, like, men or pigs, maybe.
There's definitely men that be pigs. But alright, well put a comments down below what you guys think of BB's Animal Farm. Yeah. That was kinda crazy.
Let us know. What are your explanations or theories?
Oh yeah, give some explanation or theories in the comments if you have any. And yeah, BB, you did
I
that.
wanna see.
Let's go.
Wow.
I'm kinda shocked. That's kinda crazy.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.